Girl, I swear, there's just stuff on my shirt.
It does not stick, I promise.
I feel very incompetent.
You are.
Aww. Welcome back! Sorry. I'll try again. 1, 2, 3. Welcome back! I'm here with my little sister Genevieve, who you may have seen in the past from I quizzed you on the 90s, my siblings roast me. Was there anything else?
Bean Boozled.
Bean Boozled. And I'm back again in their new house. That's why it's a little empty back there, because they're still decorating. As 2017 comes to a close, I realized that I never hopped on one of the biggest trends of 2017, which was slime. Now, I realized when I came home that Genevieve here actually has a booming slime business that I knew nothing about. Can you go grab one? Yeah. She makes slime. Look, she has little labels, and I was absolutely baffled by this. And then she showed me her slime Instagram where she sells her slime. And she has videos on videos on videos of her just playing with slime. And I was like, this is absolutely ridiculous. I never understood the hype. I can't believe you're a part of this hype. And then I realized that I was watching the videos for a solid hour and a half. I got sucked into the hole. And as much as I thought that slime was so stupid, I played with this for what, like 2 hours? So today my little sister is gonna teach me all about slime.
What type do you want to make?
Did you say what type do I want to make?
Yeah, there's like a lot.
I'm afraid I don't know what you mean.
We could make some butter slime, or some clear slime, or just normal, or jiggly, or flum, or crunchy, cream cheese, putty.
Well, what do you want to make? Because I literally don't know any of the difference of anything you just said.
I have a lot of crunchy beads.
Is that what these are?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
I got these glitters.
Fun! Let's make some. I'm excited.
Okay, so we're gonna get our clear glue. Pour some of this in as much as you want to make.
Tell me how much. Tell me when to stop.
Okay. That's probably good. And this is the borax. It's actually still kind of warm because I just made it, but
Wait, you made this?
This makes this like not running anymore.
She's a chemist. Wait, we're giving everybody your secrets.
This is a basic slime recipe.
How much?
Just add it in slowly and stir it. Okay, that's enough for now.
So do you sell this at school?
Yeah, but I'm not supposed to. I don't really anymore because I feel like I'll get kicked out of this school.
How much money are you making? Wait a minute, I just took you shopping, bought you stuff, and you're over here with a successful business? You're probably making more money than I am on YouTube right now. Ew.
See? It'll look gross until it's all together.
Looks like actual snot.
Like
I hate the texture of slimy things. Leave this video a thumbs up if you're a big slime fan. Ew! How do you touch that without wanting to vomit?
I love slime, I don't know.
I know a lot of slimy people.
Ew. Just start beating it.
The sound is driving me insane. You know how I can't stand the sound of people chewing?
It's a nice sound.
It sounds like the inside of a body part. It sounds like organs. It sounds like somebody's squishing around somebody's intestines. It sounds like an orangutan eating spaghetti. It sounds like somebody's ripping the fascia from your muscles. It sounds like an alien is probing your butthole. What is that? Genevieve was also telling me about cringy slime videos.
I was just about to say this is cringy because it's all over me.
They kept saying it as if it was a thing. They were like, oh my god, that foam bead stuck to her hand. That's cringy. Oh my god, did you see that bubble? That was cringy. Oh my god, look how it stuck to her hands. That's cringy. I don't understand how you can watch a slime video and be like cringy, except if you're watching a slime video and you're like cringy. That doesn't look clear to me.
You put a lot of air bubbles in it.
So you really know the science of slime.
Yeah.
You know the slimance. That was a bad joke.
Yeah.
It just feels like boogers to me. Ah! Is that gonna stain my clothes?
No.
That's not gonna bleach my pants. These are expensive ass yoga pants.
No.
You can still see my butt crack through them though. This is how you do it?
Sure.
I'm trying to do it like I do it, see it in the videos. Wait, I know you guys do swirl.
That's not how you do swirls. What color and what scent do you want?
Mango.
Add a couple drops.
I had no idea there was so much to slime. I'm spooked. Am I doing this like a professional?
Kind of.
Tell me if I'm being cringy.
Do you want to make it orange?
Well, we should do orange. I was about to... I wasn't expecting you to say orange. Just a little bit of yellow.
We'll put a whole drop of yellow in there.
And half a drop of red.
Smells like peachy rings.
Smells like mango rings. I know my sister like I know my own mind. You will never find someone who is trusting and is kind. Eliza. My name is Alexander Hamilton.
Okay, now we can add.
My name is Alexander Hamilton.
Do you want to add glitters?
There's a million things I haven't done, but just you wait. Alexander Hamilton.
Do you want to add glitters?
Oh yeah. Whoa.
Is the camera getting this?
Girl, you better sell it like QVC. Aaron Burr, sir.
It depends, who's asking?
Oh, sure, sir. I have been looking for you.
I'm getting nervous.
Sir? Oh, oui, oui, mamma mia, je m'appelle la face. Please don't be broken.
I hate you. Let the crunchies down.
Okay. Angelica,
Eliza,
and Peggy, the Skyler sisters, and we're looking for mind at work, work, hey,
work,
hey,
work.
hey, the greatest city in the world, the greatest city in the world, work, work. All right, thanks, Maddie. See you later.
Don't spill the beads.
Don't spill the beans.
Beads.
Beans. Looking for mind at work, work. Did you do the dishes last night?
I did half of them.
Look, it's on my fingers, it's cringy. Look at that. We made crunchy slime.
Let's pop the bubbles.
That was cringy.
Yeah. I think you did pretty good. Oh my god.
You mean pretty well?
Pretty well.
Grandma would be disappointed. You know she's watching this.
Sorry, Grandma.
And we're looking for mind at work, work.
It's okay. We're looking for mind at work, work.
You want a revolution, I want a revelation. And let me tell you about my declaration. We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal. And when I meet Thomas Jefferson, I'ma compel him to include women in the sequel. Work! Make sure to check Jenny's out on Instagram. She makes all types of slimes. She makes butter slime and foam and putty and snow slime?
It's cloud, but you put
cloud slime. Oh, I have to make a video. Show me how.
You can either just start with it in the container, or you can start with like a swirl, because you want a good thumbnail. You swirl it, and then you could go like this. And then you like keep getting the bubbles out. And then you like kind of stretch it, show off the pretty colors and beads. You usually don't poke crunchy slimes or flows, but like you can.
All right, so now this is my ASMR video.
Yeah.
All right, how did you do that? We're gonna do a giveaway with this slime. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, thumbs up this video, turn on my post notifications, and also follow Jenny Slimes on Instagram. One of you guys is gonna get my custom made slime. I know, it's a great, great prize. And this is this week's shout out right here. Thank you so much for all your love and support. You mean the absolute world to me. As always, I love you very much. Thank you for being a part of my family. I'll see you next time.
Say what you mean out loud. Drowning in silence.
Sharing my teeth.
Help me.
How fun.
That reminds me of something else. Do you know what I'm talking about?